So today we're going to look at pandas and uh, pandas is a library uh, which is used for manipulating your data set. For you to use pandas library, you have to start by first installing the library, then importing the package of the library. The same as we were doing for NumPy, whereby we were importing NumPy as NP. Now in this case, we're going to import pandas as PD. So we can have some notes here. I'll start by saying okay, pandas. So we can say minute. Okay. In order, we can take some notes. In order to use pandas library, we first install pandas library, then import the package to use it. To load the pandas package or to start working with it, we'll start by importing it as I've said. Then we start by using the terms like data frame in pandas used to represent a two-dimensional tabular data structure. You'll see later on that is similar to a spreadsheet or an SQL table. The name data frame is derived from the concept of a data frame in statistics and R programming, which is commonly used data structure for organizing and manipulating that. So you can say here we'll use the data frame term, in pandas, which is two-dimensional tabular data structure. That is similar. I say it is similar to a spreadsheet or a SQL table. So a question. Okay, can you zoom in? I think that's okay, Cinda. Is it okay, Salome?
Yes.
Okay. So in the terms data frame, in the term data frame here, we can come and say data, the data part emphasizes uh, emphasizes that is primarily used to handle data, used to handle and manipulate data. It stores data in a structured manner, allowing easy access, manipulation, analysis. Say also it stores data in a structured manner for easy access, manipulation, and analysis. Okay, and the frame one refers to the tabular structure of the data. First, the tabular structure of the data. So I think now we can start by now forming like a traditional way of for tabular data. So now in this case here we'll be using the dictionaries and the list combined. We can have comments here. Manually store data in a table. Reference and data frame. Okay. So we can start by we start by importing. Import pandas SPD. Then we come and say df. Now the df is the data frame. Let's say df is equals to pd dot keep note of the case sensitive pd dot data frame. Now we create our data frame, which will have it will be a dictionary and also a list. So we can have the keys, which will be in turn our column names now in the data. Now we have name, can have a list of names, maybe from can have brown, something like that. Mr. Dot Owen Paris, something like that. And then when we create another one, and here Alice what? Yes, maybe Miss. Sorry about that. Maybe Miss Biden Club. Have another one here. You can say Mr. Finance Rodrigo, or something like that. Okay, that's our first list. Then we come to maybe the age, another key data frame. Have to be new. And you can say the age has to be a list. The age can be 22, 34, 21. Yeah, there are three. Comma. Then we come another comma, another key. Okay, then we can have maybe sex. Yeah, sex. Yes, sex. sex here. You can have male, female, male. Okay. Columns 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And we run our code. Wait for it to connect first. Yeah, it's okay. Now, for you to call this dictionary, we had assigned this the DF. The DF is the one that will carry the whole data, which will contain the dictionary keys as name, age, and sex, and the data, which is accompany the corresponding to the key dictionary, to the key dictionaries, uh, by the side in a list form. So you can call our data as DF. Yeah. But if you want to go the long way, you can say print df, print df. Still get the same result. Yes. Any question? Yes. Yes, Benson.
What is that data that we are writing?
Oh, this
Hii
data.
imetoka wapi hiyo data?
Oh, ulikuwa na mimi nikianza the pandas introduction.
From the word go. Ndio tunaandika. Mimi
Oh,
sijaget.
okay. Sasa hapa we are dealing with pandas. Pandas now is
Yeah.
used for the manipulation of the data, whereby you can extract
Yeah.
a specific row, a specific column, specific range. Now I had shown you guys on how to create dictionaries. Sindio? Earlier. You remember the dictionary class? Whereby you start with the curly brackets here. These ones. So in this case, now if you want to, now the DF is the data frame, whereby I've explained above their data. The data in the data frame is the part emphasizes that is primarily used to handle and manipulate data, and the frame refers to the tabular structure of the data. Now for you to be able to convert that dictionary into data, into a pandas manipulated data, you have to convert it into a data frame, which is the df is equals to, df can be anything. Hii inaweza kuwa hata data. The only key function there is the pd.data frame. That one can be data, so that you can call data pia hapa chini. Unaona, you still get the same thing, but now you have to convert using the function pd.data frame. What are you converting? You have to put it inside now. The inside, what we are converting is a dictionary that contains list. Now the dictionary contains key dictionary names, which is name, age, and sex, followed by the content that the key dictionaries will be having. Unaona? Yeah. And the age pia and the sex pia. Now when you're calling whatever the data ama df, itatupatia this output.
Okay.
Umenielewa hadi hapo?
Okay.
Nilituma, umeona hiyo data nimetuma kwa nini? Kwa email.
Email.
Have you downloaded it?
Yeah.
Naitumia saa hii na few.
Yeah, I've downloaded it.
Sawa. Anyone else? Sina question. Hello? Just Salome.
Okay, so in this data frame that you created,
Mm-hmm.
the names,
Mm.
is it 3 people each with their 3 names, or?
Yeah.
I didn't understand.
Yeah. Naweza toa hiyo. Naweza toa the other. I'm just trying to make it as fancy as possible, but tunaweza toa hiyo so that we can have like a nice data frame. Tunaweza toa hiyo, tunaweza toa hizo za kwanza and you still get the same result here. No name, Brad, Alice, Nketia, age 22, 34, 21, male, female, male.
Okay.
You'll find a situation whereby the data set has more than like ikona the first name, the surname, and the last name. So that's what I was trying to consider in this case. Usikuwa tu umezoea
Okay, I
like
understand.
data lazima ikuwe na one name.
Sawa.
Sawa. Okay. Now we're going to deal with maybe now this is our data here. This is our small data here that we've created. What if now you want to deal maybe with a specific column? Later on, I'll tell you why in pandas we refer columns to series. We don't. You can say it's a column or you can say it's a series. So, for example, you want to deal with age. Let me have some comments. Each column sorry, in a data frame is a series. When selecting a single column from a data set, the result is in a pandas series. Sawa. So in case here, like in this case here, if I want to deal maybe with, I want to view the age of whatever data that I'll be having, of which will also import the data that I'd sent in the emails. You can just come here and say the syntax is, that is the syntax. That is the syntax. Now whatever that you'll have inside here between the two brackets, it's what you'll be focusing on. You can decide to focus on because it's a string, you'll have to decide to focus on name. Am I not getting a result? And here, let me sort of my network. Let me sort my network kidogo tu. Hello.
Yes.
Now I'm audible vizuri, si ndio?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now you can decide to focus on maybe the column name, maybe the column age, and this will get your output. So the syntax, so the syntax here. So the syntax here.
We are not seeing what you are typing.
Okay. You're not seeing. Anyone who has the same problem? Because I've already shared my screen. Almasi, can you see?
Characters zako hazimove.
Wazimove. I think
Lag.
ni net inajaribu kuadjust because I've changed. Nimetoka home net nimeenda kwa personal hotspot.
Okay.
So that will be your syntax. So a question maybe mwenye nilimwacha nyuma na network. Kwamboka?
Yes.
Do you have a question today?
No, today I'm very okay. I don't have
Okay.
a question.
So you can also notice that it gives you the type of data type you're working with, which is the integers.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So okay. So you can perform other basic functions so that you can know, like the describe one, so that you can focus on that specific column and get to know some of the statistics description of the data you're dealing with in that specific column. Let's say df.describe. In this case, which we have the edges pair, we can try and get the maximum edge that was there and say df which is edge dot max. Yeah, maximum edge was 34. So okay. Now, simply download the data. Now I can go and start handling the real data that I had given you. Almasi, now upload the data to your notebook using this code right here.
Okay.
You have to first import pandas as PD. Then
Okay.
already I've defined for you as the df. But if you want, you can use you can use any variable you want to, but make sure you've remembered it. I prefer
So,
df because it's simpler. Then here it's
okay.
the path. This is the path whereby you've stored your data. This right here.
Yeah. Okay.
So for us who are using the cloud-based one,
The file has to be CSV.
yeah, the file has to be saved as CSV. That's why I'm using read_CSV. The pd.read_CSV function.
Okay.
Umeona?
And nimeona.
Haya. So kwa wale tunatumia Google Colab, we first have to upload our data to Drive. Anyone who has a problem uploading data to the Drive, share the screen, I guide him or her. We all know. Anyone?
Hi, Tony.
Yes.
I left my network got disconnected a little bit. Kindly anzia hapo kwa the data you have shared.
The data.
Hapo vile. No, not the one you are talking about, like this is how I uploaded my data and everything.
Oh, this one is for the offline one, because Almasi likes using the offline Jupyter notebook, the one that you launch using the Anaconda prompt. Are you using that one?
No.
No. Yeah. So you're using Colab, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. If you're using Colab, do you know how to upload data to the Drive? Okay, share your screen. I show one of you guys.
No, so the one you had for upload not to Then you choose.
I had sent data to your emails. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have.
Have you downloaded it?
Yes.
Now you have to upload it to the drive first.
Usually mine takes time if I try to upload something, but let me just give it a try.
But see, it's a small data set.
Okay, let me try.
Kumbuka, we use yours to upload. Huh? So you share. I'm always willing to share screen yake.
Download.
Anyone? Almasi mute. Benson. So we use yours. Others to see.
Just hold on, I share my screen.
Okay.
So this is my data,
That's your data.
of which I had downloaded.
Okay. Go to your drive. My drive. My
Are you
drive is.
seeing my screen?
Yeah, I'm seeing yes. Yes, I'm seeing your screen. Go to my drive.
Yeah, I had opened my drive here.
Okay. Okay. New.
New.
Yeah, new.
Yes.
File upload.
Then this one.
Select Titanic. Yes. Open.
I
Upload.
had already downloaded directly from email. I just went to my email.
Too. Okay. Sawa.
Yeah.
I
And
was
then
just sawa.
yeah, I
Sawa.
had gone
It's all
here.
good.
Yeah. So I had already uploaded it.
Sawa. It's all good. Sawa. Okay, you can go to your collab notebook.
I had opened a new one here.
Why are you getting an
Yeah.
error?
No, it was I was just beginning.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. First start by importing the pandas library. So you type in import pandas as PD.
I type in import.
Pandas as PD. First delete the df. Yeah, import pandas
Is
as PD.
D.
PD.
Yeah.
Run.
And then I enter.
Yeah, run. Shift enter. Okay. So move around your mouse to at least in the middle of in the middle of that cell, bottom.
Here.
So for you to create another cell, instead of going all that process of creating another cell, the easiest way is like the moment you're running your cell, just press
Yeah.
in shift enter. Then it will create the next cell for you. Shift enter.
Shift enter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's creating another cell.
Yeah.
So in the next cell, like have a comment like mounting the drive for you. Just take some notes ndio next time ukipitia that notebook unajua what you're doing. So you start with the hashtag notes.
Yeah.
Okay. Mounting drive. You can say something like mounting the drive. Okay, enter to go to the next line.
Shift enter.
No, don't shift enter. Just in the same. Just enter now. In the same
I
cell.
go back.
Yeah. Enter. Enter again. Form another line. Yeah. Now you can say, now for you to mount your Colab notebook,
Yeah.
your drive, you start by saying from Google Colab import drive. From google.colab. Then Colab is single L dot Colab. Yeah. Single L. Import drive. Space drive.
Yeah.
Enter. Now you've imported the package of importing the drive in your Google Colab. Now the next process, now the next line you write drive.mount. Now you're mounting your drive. Drive.mount. Open your parenthesis. Open your parenthesis. Okay.
Yes.
Open your quote mark. Double quotation or single?
Double quotation.
Or single. Any can do.
Yeah, the quotation marks. Really.
They are beside the comma.
Yeah, I've already ended.
Okay. Then backslash. Backslash.
Yeah.
No, not that one. The other one.
The other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Content. Write content. Backslash. Drive. Now run. Shift enter. Now you have to now give access. Connect to Google Drive. Yes. Then you have to choose the email that you are. Yeah. The email that contains the drive of the data. Choose Benson Kimathi. That one, yes. And scroll down. Scroll down. Allow. Yeah, allow. Your drive has successfully been mounted now. Just wait for it to, mounted. So now have a comment like reading the data. The data, I mean.
Okay,
Slash.
can you wait? Mine has an error.
Yours has an error.
Yes.
Sawa, ngoja tu kidogo. Ni kitu tu syntax tu ndogo, maybe umesahau. Reading the data.
Yeah.
Let's go to the next line. Now we're defining our path now of the data. Can say file underscore path underscore path is equals to open double quotation mark backslash content drive, the one that you had Koju, then backslash drive, backslash again.
Yeah.
Now you're defining, say, your drive. Now my drive with M with caps and D with caps. Backslash. Now where ulikuwa umename kama Titanic tu, si ndio?
Yeah, Titanic.
And write the titanic.csv. .csv. The next line. Now backspace. Then after the double quotation mark, then next line. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we want to store that path in our data frame so that our data frame can read that path as the data. So df is equals to pd.read underscore csv. That is the function for reading CSV file. Underscore not hyphen. Underscore csv. We had stored the content drive my drive titanic.csv in the file path now, the one that's above the line. So it will be open parenthesis, open a parenthesis. No, the other ones, the bracket ones, the normal brackets, not the box ones, the other one, not the curly ones.
So normal, this one.
Yeah, that one. Yes, file underscore path. Now to refer to the first file underscore path which carries the data. Okay. So next line, so that we can read now the data. So we're sure to upload the sure data. Now hold df. How do we call df? Can say print df ama df2. df
Andika tu df.
andika tu df. Hiyo maprint ni nini? Unakaa ruki sana na umeenda klasi yangu. Haya, run. Now you can confirm by viewing the column names if that's the real data. Scroll down.
I scroll down.
Up. Scroll up. Yeah. So now you have the name, sex, age, ticket, fare, cabin, backboard, body, home. Then for you to confirm, bado unaweza enda we open Excel or confirm. So we can print the first five rows.
Yeah.
You can say df.head. df.head. Open parenthesis. Now we watch it to blank. That's for the only first 5 rows. But if you want to specify maybe 10, you can have 10 in between the parentheses. Okay, run. Shift enter. Okay, so you good. Vanessa, share yako.
It has connected. The email I had on laptop was not the email you had shared the data.
Sawa. Almasi, on your side, iko tu sawa?
Imekataa, unaweza ni guide.
Okay, share your screen.
Sawa. So kodi ilikuwa gani?
Ulishindwa kupata. I'm sure it's the path ndio imekukanganya. Okay. Okay. Oh, sawa. Hata una comments now. Kisha hiyo notebook yako mtu atajuaje? Sawa. Haya. You can have some comments huko chini. Oh, ulikuwa umeupload, bro, did you?
Upload file hapana.
Okay.
Rudi tu. Yeah.
Rudi tu chini. Sawa, hapo. Hapo delete hiyo. Then say import. Import pandas as speedy.
Nataka nimeimport huko juu.
It's okay, import too. Import pandas as speedy. Okay, sawa. Then now you're going to read it. Sasa umechagua utasoma kama data frame. So df is equals to. So sioni update kwa screen yako.
Imeandika df is equals to. Hivyo
pd.read underscore csv. Umeacha kushare?
Imeacha. Kiasi tu. ina share. Unaona?
Okay. Haya. Now chill. Now let's go to your nini where you downloaded the file.
It's here downloads tu.
Downloads open.
Nifungue file.
No, like I want to see the properties to uchukue copy file path. I'm not familiar with the OS version.
Hapa sasa imenishinda.
Mimi ndio mse wa Windows. Okay. Hebu jaribu ku right click. Yeah, hapo tu. Wait first. File. Copy. Upload. Hebu get info.
Ilisema location ni hapa. Basa hii sika link.
Haipeani paths ndio. More info.
Info wapi? Hapa.
Yeah.
I open hadi.
Okay. Aya, rudi tu. We'll figure it out. Rudi tu nyuma. Okay. Nile sikuangi familiar. Ubaki tu kwa hiyo file because we are supposed to take the path. Ndio isome kutoka huko. I don't know. Okay. Huko juu anything? Hapo kwa hizo menu hizo drop down. I think tunaweza angalia tu hata online how to find a path of a file in Mac. No, iOS. Ama macOS.
Yeah.
Because it's supposed to. Yeah.
Hello Tony.
Yes, Benson.
Niulize on OS huwezi tumia Google Colab?
Unaweza but he prefers hii offline version.
Okay.
Yeye ndiye ana prefer hivyo. So nilikumbuka nikamconsider. Because ni yeye peke yake anaitumia. Ama anyone else using the offline version the one that I showed you. Me, I prefer the Colab one because I can always back my files to the drive. So in case hata you lose your laptop, if anything's happened to your laptop, you still have your files kwa cloud. Like it's safer that way. And even if hata nika travel to somewhere and nikapata sikuwa nimebeba lapi yangu, I can just borrow a laptop na ni work na ni update drive na niendelee na kazi yangu. But you see this offline one, you have to travel with your lapi. Like ina kulimit kiasi, but bado ni poa. Imesema aje?
Natafuta view na sioni.
View?
Hapa juu, I think so.
Okay.
Options.
Yeah, show options. I think it's that one. And then
It's a path.
Path, yeah. It's the file path. Wow. Inakuwa ngori hivi na sisi ni watu wa IT bana.
There's a time I did for the tukifanya kwa in the previous class there's a way up
the R.
R, yeah, tutumia R.
How did you upload? But you had to find the paths, ndio? Because sasa machine itajuaje kwenye iko stored. You have to find the path. You need default. And time is running out. Sasa.
Let me
What did you say?
Juu hapa nasema show path or press option key to show the path by momentary location is default. Oh, ndio hiyo show path bar.
Okay. Yeah, it's down there.
Yeah, but haipendi ka link. Don't know why.
You supposed to click kwa hiyo Titanic.
Inafungua.
And wait kwanza. Sawa, imefungwa. Hebu rudi huko nyuma. So the other window. So the path bunny data users
Yes,
Almasi downloads Titanic.cs. You have to now write it down manually. So now
Sawa.
but sasa utumi backslash, you'll have to use the forward slash. Kumbuke hiyo sawa?
Sawa.
See, is it the back ama the forward? Let me see. Yeah, it's the forward slash. Tumia backslash.
Sawa.
Yeah. Ebu try it haraka. Usibaki nyuma. Yeah, there. Does macOS work with the, I don't know. You have to first put it in nini. Does it has to specify the disk?
I don't think so.
Okay, start then. It was data /
/ ni this one.
Gani? Not saying anything. Lazima, yeah, that one. But now you'll only have only one. Like lazima ikuwe ndani ya the double quotation marks. All whatever you're writing there.
Everything.
Then it was users, ndio?
Users.
/ Almasi / download.
Downloads, yeah.
Yeah, it was download. Titanic.csv. Funga double quotations. Run. Should run. What it's saying? Nasema? Enda chini tusome the error ya mwisho. Chini kabisa. No such file in directory. Sasa I don't know, maybe not specify disk. Which disk are you using? Umeiname kama CD?
Sija name zangu.
Hebu angalia. Look at your disk.
Just
on my Mac. Click on my Mac. Yeah. Now which disk are you using? No, si huko. I don't know. How do you check the disk you're using in Mac? I'm not familiar with user interface, GUI ya Mac OS.
Acha tu niangalie. You can just continue the class.
Sawa. But hivyo tu ukishapata the path, that's it.
Sawa.
Ina load.
Da update.
Okay. Kumbuka, ili upload. You had a question the other time about the drive mounting.
I was not able to type the codes as we were doing. So I'm waiting for your...
Oh, you're waiting for mine, huh?
Yeah, so that I can do it alone.
Sawa. So we start by importing pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. Then I'd say that you have a comment here and say like something like mount drive that has the data set Titanic, and mounting a drive. First you have to access the collab. So from Google.
We can't see your codes.
Can't see my codes. Can you see them now?
Yes.
So from google.colab, import driver. So drive dot mount. Now we have a
You can't
mount
see
our
it
driver,
again.
which is can't see. How about now?
Yes, it's there, but once you start typing, it's not, the characters are not being updated.
Oh, I think it's a network issue. It's raining on my side. Nadhani ni net. Content underscore drive. I'll be waiting for you to update. Then you run. Then you'll have to grant permission. Allow. Are we together up to that point? Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
so,
Almas.
Yes.
so how do you check if the file has been uploaded?
Oh, ebu share kwanza. Share kwanza ndio ni vile upload.
So. So nimepata path.
Upata path,
And I think tulikuwa tunakosea kwa download, supposed to be capital D and users also.
Okay. Now at the end, now you can call now your data, which is stored in DF. Print DF.
DF.
Yeah, just print DF. DF. Yeah, that's it. Then then unaweza open Excel and then you compare the whatever you're having. But for simpler, instead of it giving you all data, the row 1309, you can just df.head, open parenthesis, and then it will give you the first 5 rows. .head. Yeah, that, leave it blank. But if you want to view like up to 10 rows, now you can define in between the parentheses the number of rows you want to view. You can even have 20, even 10, yeah, and run. Then you'll have 10, yeah, that's it.
Okay.
So mona indexing, it starts from 0, that's why tuna end up na 9. Yeah.
That's nice.
Stop sharing. Are we together up to that point? Wale wengine Kwamboka and Vanessa.
On my side, I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Kwamboka? Yes, Salome.
Mine is not okay.
What's up?
It's giving me an error.
Which kind of error?
Value error.
Value error. Then what else?
A long story here. I don't understand it.
And scroll hadi ya mwisho kabisa, I see. Ya mwisho kabisa, and then you can share your screen. Kwamboka, are you okay? Amepotea tena.
No, I'm there.
Okay. Salome, share your screen, nione your error. Where's your notebook?
Here.
I can't see your notebook.
You can't see it?
No, I can't see your notebook.
Is my screen shared?
Yeah, your screen is shared, but we are having a new tab.
Is it visible now?
Yeah. Okay. Drive.mount. Import pandas as PD from Google collab import driver. Drive.mount. Open parentheses. You see before the content, you should have had a forward
Yes.
slash.
Here.
Yeah, there. Now run. It's working now.
Yes.
It's okay
Okay.
now.
Thank you.
You can stop sharing. Okay. So now after mounting your drive, we read our data. Titanic dataset from the drive. The driver. So we start by defining our path, which is okay. Sorry for that. Underscore path is equals to open parentheses forward slash. Same with this one. That one. Yeah. Then I have to say my drive now underscore where the name of the data is Titanic.csv. After storing the data, we create a data frame now whereby we'll call our data. Creating the data frame, you're converting the data to a data frame, which is read underscore CSV. Now this one here, this path. Okay. This file underscore path. Then you can call our df head. Anyone who's stuck. Who is stuck? So, okay. So now to view maybe the bottom 5, the bottom 5 rows. Bottom 5 rows, we use now the tail function, which is df.tail. Then you run it. You'll have viewed the bottom 5 one. Okay. So now let's select like one of our series, which is also a column. We can decide to use the edge. When I was explaining earlier here about the edge, I said that our syntax is the df, and the box bracket. Then you define inside the type of series you want to work with or the column. That's the syntax. So you can say here edges is equals to df. Now come here. Is it yeah, it's small. You can just copy to avoid confusion. Say edge. Then you can say that you want to view the first five rows of the edge. Okay, what's the error? Yeah, first 5 rows. And come here and confirm which is 29, 0.9, 2.0, 30.0, 25. Which is 29, 0.9, 2.0, 30, 25. It's also given us as a data type, which is a float. A float because it has decimal numbers. And the name of the series or the column is age. Questions? Okay. Can come in and say how to check if it's a series, in the data set. You can have comments and say each column in a data frame is a series, and let's say some here. This is how to. I will add more notes and send a more detailed notebook. This is how to check. Series in a data frame. The code to check is you'll come just and say type, like the one for D type. Check the data type df, because that's the name of our data type, of our data that we're calling. Then you say age. Okay. And if you run it, leave it as a series. This is how you confirm. Questions? Mwenye nime confuse.
Me, I have a question. What is a series?
A series is a column. Like now this here, this is a column, and this one is a row. These are columns, these are rows. So a series is a column in a data frame. That's how they're called. Just ask a question. Yes, Salome.
Okay, I couldn't upload or retrieve the data set. The error I'm getting is we couldn't find such a path.
Then you didn't define your path. Okay, share your screen. You're using the Colab or the offline one? Colab. Share your screen.
Yeah.
One. I can see it's okay.
So the code is okay.
Ndio najaribu kuangalia it's okay. Okay. Rudi tu juu. Oh, you had space between my and drive. There's no space. Okay. Again, tena rudi. It's okay. Is the ma in caps? M.
Yes.
We try again, tena caps. M. The M one.
In small letter.
Caps. Yeah, now run it. It was not in caps. Tena. Content drive, my drive, dynamic.csv. Which email were you using?
This one.
That's where you stored the nini. Had you uploaded the data to your drive first?
Yes, I have.
Okay. You go to your drive and then share your entire screen, because I'm limited to the only window. Go to Gmail. Go to your Gmail. Go to your browser and go to Gmail so that you can access the apps in the Gmail. Can't see your screen.
You can see.
You've shared only the window. Just share the entire screen. Yeah. Gmail. Yeah. Go to your, where is all the box one? The icon box one. Be after your S. Before your S. No. The ingine, the apps. Yeah, that one. Google. Yeah. Go to Drive. Go and click on Drive. Okay. Then New.
This is a different email.
Yeah. No, you are. Sasa basi itabidi umebadilisha, because now when you're mounting it, you should know the email where you had stored your data. Okay. And the other one, where had you
This
stored
one?
your data? Upper.
This
The
one.
okay.
This
Okay.
one.
Sasa turudi kwa collab. Then you prompt access to this one. Yeah. Your cell 12. Cell 12. Yeah. Run. Yeah. They run. Scroll down. Up. Drive already mounted. Told them to mount. Call drive. Force. Just select the entire cell. Select the entire cell.
21.
Like highlight the entire cell, and then you part. Then you cut. Then let's go to the cell of the pandas. Enter. Paste. Run. Itaki kudanganyika, because I don't want you to go all that process. Disconnect. Go to this icon where we have a drop down. Yeah, disconnect. Disconnect and delete runtime. Yes. And now reconnect. Now run. Run that cell. Okay, connect to drive. Did you choose that email?
Yeah, this is where I uploaded the data.
Okay, then choose that one. Scroll down, then allow. Now you can delete that cell. Delete hii cell tumetoka. Kando, the dustbin one. No, not that one, the other one. The one that is above it. Yeah.
Yes.
Click delete. Now run this path. Ay, tena titanic.csv. Why? Okay, go back to your drive. Titanic.csv. Save uploaded. Collab. No, the other one. The one that we are using. Not that one. File path. It's okay. Content. Drive. My drive. Connect CSV. PD.read. Underscore CSV. Siko underscore CSV. The PD.read. Salome, is it underscore CSV? That's the path. Yeah. I want to see if it's underscore CSV. Cancel that one. Okay. PD.read. Dot. Underscore CSV. File underscore path. Hakuna error. Run. Tena. Because I can't see any error. No such file. Directory. Ebu try using the other email. Try switching. Yeah, hapo. My drive. Upload. Downloads. That on Titanic. Simeingia, go back to your collab now. Disconnect your runtime. Now switch. Switch huko juu. Yeah, switch.
Huko.
Now select yenye umeweka sahi. There isn't one. There isn't one iko wapi? The 9:38 p.m. Open that one. No, yeah, that one. Haijakuja. You didn't open the recent one?
I did.
Okay, you did. So you can just start a new notebook. File, new notebook. You go to the previous notebook, copy. Select a cell, select that entire cell, yes. Copy. Go and paste. Paste. Connect your runtime. Oh, okay, so. Select that one. Allow. Okay, go back and select and then uchukue the code, the path. Run. Yeah. Now call it df. Run. Shift enter. I don't know why hiyo email ingine ilikuwa ina restrict drive yake. Sawa.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Let's stop here. Time imeenda. We'll continue there. From there tomorrow. Good night.
Yeah, we're all set.
A request, Tony. Kindly share the notebook yours as it is.
Oh, this one. See, I want to add some more information, Ama, with a lot of comments and explanation.
But that one will take up tomorrow.
You want sai? Sawa. Nitashare in the next 20 minutes. I have ulcers, saa zinanisumbua, I have to go eat kwanza.
No problem.